guys, it's Soft. I'm back with another video, and today we'll be reviewing the new cars, which there are some pretty nice new ones. First of all, I think this was like a remake of one of the cars, this car. Like, look at this. I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison compared to this. That's just a bigger version of this. Why, you see it, or is it just me? Looks the exact same. Why, but this is the new one. So, it drives pretty nicely, not gonna lie. Pretty good of a car, I would say. This is like the free version, but I just pointed out. Like, the other one would be more maxed out, this one's smart. Okay, on to the next car is this pickup truck. Another free one, which is a very beautiful option, but now I'm trying to go through this. Now, starting with this wrap, this is just like a plain red. This is like if you want zebra. Nobody would ever want this. This looks like your car's Western. No, it actually looks like bullets. That one looks like something you have on a house. This... Honestly, can you change the color on these wraps? Can you? No. Well, that's bad. This is a nice wrap. Like a hackle. This one's nice. And the rest I'm saving for the auto car. But, coming down... Where is it? This is one of the new cars. Very nice car, not gonna lie. It doesn't fit me. I'm too tall. So, shrink me down a little bit. 'Cause I guess you can't be the max tall in Roblox. It's an estimate that you can't be. But handles pretty well, unlike my last video you saw with the car. If you saw my last video, okay, now it's just cool. That old car lost complete control and it was like driving in snow, you had no control. Okay, now exploring the rest of the laps. I believe I left off right here. This is like the best car to have for these wraps, since I feel they look very cool on it. Look, doesn't that look nice? This is the car is really built for. Not true. It's for anybody that wants to spend 400 Robux. That's a lot of Robux. Ooh, military. My car belongs in the military. My car is made of gold. This nice red one is cool. They all look very cool on it. This like military one, this one. These all last ones are like camouflage ones. This one reminds me of shorts I have. This one's nice. Now I guess that's it on that part. Now let's check out props. Oh, right here. Where are the new props? What are they? I guess we're gonna click every single one, 'cause now it's gonna get boring. Okay, then did you really have to do this to us? I would have thought they would have really been in military. Oh, this is cool. Those troops came in place. Yes, I'm sure I don't want to have all my props down. Oh, cool. That's a cool feature. There. Oh, I thought I got it on his head. Forehead. No. Why is it so bad at getting on someone's head? Is that a question? Really not. But, so I can is that a new props, or is that... Am I dumb, or is this just very bad? Oh God, I got a great idea. Stack playhouses? No, I'm joking. Oh wait, now I'm in cars, you kidding me? Ha! Sure, I want to get rid of all the props. Let's see what it can do to house. House an L. Change it to a green. Now rotate it that away. Now you're in Stranger Things. Okay, that plot makes sense. Okay, that makes sense, right? I love this just because of that, because I feel that's funny that you can do that. Is this a new thing? If I'm going over old thing, please don't get mad at me. But I know I probably am, but... 'Cause I'm not really that much of a... Play all day Brookhaven. I like to play auto games. But I do love Brookhaven when I'm playing with my friends. 'Cause they're such good at it. They're so good at it, that it just makes it fun to play with them, since they do little chores on each other. Did I get this unicorn? Did I? Oh, I did. Yeah, then this, so you could get both. Question it. What can you use to flow out this? Okay, now I'm just gonna load material. But where are the props? Like, seriously, it said 30 new props. You mean 30 new nothing? Please tell me I read that right? Am I going crazy? Let me know. Oh, maybe it's straw rings? That could easily be a possibility. Don't think it's that. Horses might be. Music. Pets. Oh, it's the pet stuff. No, the pet stuff was down. Oh, man. Am I seriously? Am I dumb? I think I just found that. This was in Doctor Strange's lab. If you watch Shadow video, I said Doctor Strange's lab. That was it. Ah, got it. That is some Doctor Strange's lab. Now you need some speakers. Okay.